Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English in Daily Life. I'm Emily.
And I'm Elon. We're so happy you're here with us again. Today, we're going to a place many people love, the café.
Yes, the cafe, a place to relax, drink coffee, meet friends, or just enjoy time alone. We'll help you learn how to order food and drinks, how to talk with the barista, and how to chat with a friend at a cafe, all in simple English.
And remember, there's a PDF with today's full script, new words, and practice questions. You'll find it in the video description below.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help more learners like you join our English community. Okay, imagine this. You walk into a cafe. The smell of coffee's in the air. The barista smiles and says, "Hi, what can I get for you today?"
You can reply with something simple, like, "I'd like a cup of coffee, please." Or, "Can I have a cappuccino?"
Let's repeat that together, friends. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Great job. And you can also say, "Can I have a cappuccino?"
Perfect. Both sentences are polite and natural in English.
Let's learn some words you hear in a cafe.
Number 1, barista. A barista is a person who makes coffee. Say it with me. Barista.
Number 2, menu. A menu shows you the list of drinks and food you can order.
Number 3, takeaway. If you say takeaway or to go, it means you want your drink in a cup you can carry out.
For example, "Can I have a latte to go?"
Good example. Okay, let's listen again to the full cafe dialogue and then discuss it. Hi, what can I get for you today?
"Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?"
Sure. Would you like it for here or to go?
"To go, please."
That's $4.50.
"Here you go."
Thank you. Your drink will be ready soon.
Okay, that was a short conversation, but there are many useful phrases there.
Let's go over them together. When the barista says, "What can I get for you?" they mean, "What do you want to order?"
And when they say, "For here or to go," they're asking if you want to drink your coffee in the cafe, for here, or take it outside, to go.
Exactly. Let's repeat that part. For here or to go.
For here or to go.
Good job. And when you pay, you can say, "Here you go."
That's a friendly way to give money or your card.
Now let's imagine you're sitting with your friend at a cafe. What do you talk about?
You can start simple. "How are you today?" "What are you drinking?" "Do you come here often?"
Those are great. Let's act it out. Hi, Elon. How are you today?
"I'm great, Emily. I just ordered a latte. What about you?"
I got an iced coffee. It's so hot today.
"Yeah, good idea. I love iced coffee in summer."
See? Simple, friendly, and easy to practice.
Now, friends, let's pause for a second. Repeat after us. This helps you improve your pronunciation.
I got an iced coffee.
I got an iced coffee.
It's so hot today.
It's so hot today.
Perfect pronunciation, everyone. Clap, clap. Welcome back, friends. We hope you're enjoying your coffee. In the first part, we learned how to order drinks and talk with a friend.
Yes. And now, let's learn how to order food and continue a small, friendly conversation at the cafe.
So, Elon, when you're hungry at a cafe, what do you usually order?
I usually order a croissant or a sandwich. Sometimes I say, "Can I have a cheese sandwich, please?" Or, "I'd like a chocolate croissant."
That's great. Let's repeat these sentences together, everyone. Can I have a cheese sandwich, please?
"I'd like a chocolate croissant."
Nice job. Remember, when you use can I have or I'd like, you sound polite and friendly.
And don't forget to add please. It's a small word, but it shows good manners.
Let's learn some more café words. 1. Pastry. A sweet baked food, like a croissant or muffin.
2. Tray. A flat plate you use to carry food and drinks.
3. Napkin. A small paper or cloth to clean your hands or mouth.
Example. Excuse me. Can I get a napkin, please?
Perfect. That's something you can say anywhere in the world. Hi there. What would you like to eat?
Can I have a cheese sandwich and a latte, please?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great. Please wait by the counter. Okay. Did you notice those small but useful phrases?
Yes. Like, anything else? That means, do you want more? And, that's all means you finished your order.
Let's repeat these together. Anything else?
That's all.
Good work. You're doing great, listeners. Now, when you sit with someone, what can you talk about?
Many things. The weather, your plans, your favorite drinks, or even your weekend.
Let's show an example. Hi, Elon. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually go to the park or read books. Sometimes I come here and drink coffee.
Oh, nice. I love reading too. What kind of books do you like?
I like travel books. They make me feel happy and curious.
That's a great example of a short, friendly conversation.
Let's repeat a few key phrases from that chat. What do you usually do on weekends? I usually go to the park. I love reading too.
These are perfect for daily conversation practice.
Let's slow down and repeat together. Say after me. What do you usually do on weekends? I usually go to the park. I love reading too.
Great pronunciation. You're sounding better every time.
Remember, speaking slowly and clearly is okay. It helps people understand you, and that's what matters most.
Let's review what we learned today. We practiced how to order drinks and food in a cafe, use polite English like can I have and I'd like, and make small talk with friends.
And we also learned cafe vocabulary, barista, takeaway, napkin, pastry, and more.
You did an amazing job today, everyone.
Now we want to hear from you.
What's your favorite drink or snack at a cafe? Coffee? Donut?
Write your answer in the comments below.
And don't forget to check the PDF in the description. It has today's full dialogue, vocabulary list, and practice questions.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons every week.
Until next time, friends, keep practicing and speak with confidence.
Bye from our friends.